Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This PDF here can possibly make you lots of money, and you don't even need to bother to write it by yourself because I'm going to give you this PDF totally free. And even though this is a Digistore24 affiliate marketing method, you can successfully apply it on other affiliate networks as well. And this is beginner friendly method because I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. And also I'm going to show you most profitable niches. So make sure to watch entire video very carefully and also make sure to watch this video till the end. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay guys, first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google Documents. To find Google Documents, simply here in search bar, type Google Docs and then click search, and you can click here on the first result. Or you can simply go here in upper right corner and click here and then scroll here and click on Docs. And now you need to click here on blank to create a new Google document. So next thing you need to do, you need to write a guide. You need to write a workout guide, a weight loss guide, travel guide, pets guide, woodworking guide, or whatever your niche is. You need to help people, you need to solve their problem, because in that way you will help people, but you will also make money. So it is a win-win situation. I already wrote a guide, as you can see here, how to increase followers on Instagram for free. So I help people to increase followers on their Instagram profile or on their Instagram page. I will leave you a link in description so you can check it out. Now the reason why I have chosen this niche, this topic, is because I actually understand this and because I did the research. So when we go on Ahrefs free keyword generator and when I type here, for example, how to increase Instagram followers and then click here find keywords and confirm I'm not robot, we will see here that more than 2,000 people search this term every month in United States. And look how many related search queries there is, and thousands of people are searching the ways on how to increase followers on their Instagram pages or how to grow their Instagram pages. So this niche actually have a big potential for me to make money online. And that is exactly the thing that you need to do. You need to research the topic that you wish to write a guide about, just like this. So now you need to write a guide, preferably about something that you know, something that you understand. But if you, for example, don't know anything about how to get Instagram followers for free or how to lose weight or anything about woodworking, you can simply go on Fiverr or iWriter and pay someone to write you a short guide about that topic. Or if you don't have money, you can simply go on Google and here in search bar for this example, you can type how to grow your Instagram followers and click search. And here you can see there are people who actually understand this topic and who write about this topic. So what you need to do, you need to rewrite these articles. Now you cannot, I repeat, you cannot copy and paste these articles. You must rewrite these articles. You can simply go and read these articles and rewrite them. Now I personally have more experience and I need about 15 to 20 minutes to rewrite an article. Now if you are in Instagram niche, for example, again I will leave you a link to my report here, to my guide, and you can download it and use it for free. I will leave you a link in description. So now when we have our guide, now we need to find the product to promote. And that product must be in same niche. You cannot, for example, write a guide about how to get Instagram followers and then promote product about dogs or weight loss product or anything like that. You cannot even promote product related to Facebook. You must find product related to Instagram in this case, or whatever your guide is. If it is about weight loss, you need to find product that is related to weight loss. If it is about woodworking, then you need to find product related to woodworking. That is really important. Now to find those products that you are going to promote in this guide, you can simply go on Digistore24 and find those products. You can go on ClickBank, you can go on JVZoo, you can go on Amazon or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I am going to use Digistore24. Now, because we are talking about making money online, you can simply scroll here and you can click on internet marketing and e-business and find the related products in that niche. Or you can simply come here and in search bar type your main keyword, Instagram in this case, or in your case it could be workout, it could be weight loss, dogs, or whatever your niche is. And you need to research all of these products, and based on that research you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Instagram Millions Guide. Now I will give you some tips. You wish to promote products that have affiliate commission more than 50%. And the reason for that is usually products on Digistore24 are cheap. So what is the point of promoting product where you can earn just $1, $2, or $3? Here you can see affiliate commission is 50%, but I can earn only €6. That is about 7 or 8 US dollars. It's not much, but it is okay. Now another really important tip is when you scroll here you can see cancellation rate. Now that is the thing that I really like about Digistore24. Here you can see cancellation rate for this product is only 0.8%. Now that is great. Now you wish to promote products that have as low as possible cancellation rate. Because what is the point of promoting products that have high cancellation rate? Because every time someone cancels the order, you won't make money. So you should try to find products that have as low as possible cancellation rate. Now to promote this product, I will scroll here and then click here on Promote Now. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I can simply highlight this and then Ctrl C to copy this affiliate link. So now I need to go back to my Google document and add call to action and add my affiliate link. But before that, I actually suggest to shorten this link usually in bit.ly because this is a long and ugly looking link and people will recognize that this is affiliate link and that will lower your click-through rate. So you should shorten that link. So now we need to add call to action, so you can simply scroll here and you can say something like learn how to get 100k followers in 4 months. And I can actually highlight this and I can make it bold to make it stand out and to get even more clicks. And here I need to add my affiliate link that I shortened in bit.ly. So I will just paste it here, okay? And this is my affiliate link. And I will actually highlight this and Ctrl C to copy and I will add this on the bottom as well. So let me just scroll here, okay, and enter and I will add it here as well. And let's say I wish to add it on another place. So let's say here, for example, and I will paste it here. Now you should add your call to action on 2 or 3 places in your guide. Now after you finish everything, you can simply click here in upper left corner on File and then Download, and you can download this document as a PDF document and you can upload this document on document sharing websites like Scribd or SlideShare. Or you can use even better, even more efficient way, and that is a Quora. And you can simply here in search bar type something like Instagram followers and then click search. And here you can see there is lots and lots of questions on how to get followers on Instagram, how to grow your Instagram page or Instagram profile. What is the quickest way to increase Instagram followers? How do I get more followers on Instagram? Is it possible to buy Instagram followers? How do I increase my Instagram followers? How do I get free Instagram followers and likes, and so on and so on? There is lots and lots of questions, and all you have to do is just open these questions one by one and answer on these questions. And you should answer on this question and link back to your Google document where you added your affiliate link. And after you answer on this question, simply close it and answer on this question, on this question, on this question, and so on and so on. And let me just click here on my profile image and then on Ads Manager and then on New Campaign. Now this is not important, so I can say whatever I want. So let's say TA, okay. I will choose here generic. Now this is not important, so I can say, let's say 20 and then click here continue. And this is not important, so scroll here and click on questions. And then click here on bulk add. And here I can type something like Instagram followers. And then click here continue. What is the quickest way to increase Instagram followers? 400 to 600 people visit this question here every week. And look how many questions there is about how to get Instagram followers. Literally thousands and thousands of people are visiting these questions here on how to increase Instagram followers every week. Now imagine the potential, imagine how many people you can send to your Google document where you are promoting your Digistore24 affiliate product. And you can also go and search related terms, for example, how to grow Instagram profile or how to grow Instagram page. And you can apply this in any niche, workout niche, pets niche, DIY, travel, or whatever you want. Another efficient way of promoting your guide is to actually go on Instagram and search small pages and start sending them messages, offering them to give them a free guide that will help them to get more followers. Again, you can use my own guide. I will leave you link in description. And for this method, I would actually suggest to create a new Instagram profile. Now, most profitable niches are weight loss, workout, travel, make money online, and fashion. Now, these are the niches where you can make most money with affiliate marketing. You can also promote your Google document in related Facebook groups, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Reddit, on related forums, and so on and so on. And you should drive as much as you can traffic to this document. And like I said, this is a useful document. You are actually helping people, but you will also make money. So like I said, it is a win-win situation. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing without website as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.